terrific one-story home over 2,100 square feet. This home has a gourmet island kitchen with granite counters with wood flooring and G-profile stainless steel appliances. A massive covered patio. It has 4 large bedrooms with oversized master suite. The home comes with a sprinkler system. This home is loaded with extras and priced to sell. Great schools and close to shopping.